Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the main dashboard. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you want to segment. Click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Select segments from the options provided. In the Segments page, click on the Create Segment button. You'll see a list of conditions to help define your segment. Choose a condition from the drop-down menu, such as email marketing engagement. Select how you want to filter your audience based on this. You can specify parameters like opened email or clicked on link. For more complex segments, add additional conditions using add-on. Decide whether you want to apply an all or any condition. Using all means contacts must meet every condition to be included. Using any means contacts can meet just one to be included. Once you've set your conditions, click Preview Segment to see the results. Review the contacts included in the segment carefully. If satisfied, click the Save Segment button. Give your segment a relevant name for easy identification. After saving, you can use this segment for targeted campaigns. To set up CRM follow-ups, integrate your Mailchimp with your CRM system. Follow the integration instructions provided by your CRM platform. Once connected, map your Mailchimp segments to specific follow-up tasks in your CRM. Test the integration to ensure contacts are synced correctly. Create a follow-up plan based on the behaviors and engagement of your segmented audience. Regularly review and adjust your segments as your audience evolves. Utilize analytics to assess the effectiveness of your segmented campaigns. By refining your approach, you'll enhance your CRM follow-up strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.